All right, good afternoon, everyone. So, today we're going to do the Canva book cover design. Are you guys ready? I hope you are. So, first things first, we will be using Canva desktop interface. So, this is my Canva desktop interface. Of course, I have my account in Canva already. So, if you don't have your account yet, sign up now so that we can start. So, what are we going to discuss today? Let's see. So, today we're going to learn a few things. Of course, we already know that there's a lot of tutorials available online, but of course, it's still good to have someone to guide us as we go through different tools which is available on designing. So today, first we will learn how to resize your book cover according to the requirements of your writing platform. Then, of course, we will work on your main image, the background, and the subject. Here, we will learn how to use the effects, transparency, positions, and so on. And then, uh, the third one is we're going to use other design elements such as text or font, colors, and some design accent. Of course, this is a sharing session, so we're open for suggestion and tips from everyone. All right, let's start. Let's go to your Canva desktop or on your phone. First things first, we need to understand what is the size of our book. So let's go to Dreame. According to Dreame, the size for book cover is 600 by 800 pixels, or a ratio of 3 by 4. So let's do that in your Canva. In your Canva, click Create Design. Of course, in your phone, you just click that small plus button there, and then click Custom Dimension. In your custom dimension, type in 600 and 800, and make sure on this side it says pixel, and then create your design. There you go. So you have now your 600 by 800 book cover template or book cover size. Okay, and now we can go on the search for templates for book cover. And there you go. So there's a lot of book cover available in Canva. All you have to do is choose one that you feel suitable for your design. Okay, I will stop here for now so that the rest can follow. So we will do this tutorial on a step-by-step so that everyone else should be able to follow. All right, so if you have questions from the beginning and until now, just put it on a comment and we will answer them later. All right, we are now on the second part of book cover design with Canva. So on the second part, we're going to choose your background, your main image, and work on it. All right, let's go. So first, we have already created our artboard with a size of 600 by 800 pixels, and we've chosen, I hope you have already chosen your template among uh, the the offered book cover template from Canva. So let's see, there's this inspirational book cover. You can see it there. You can click. So they have that. I like this one actually. There's also the romance book cover. Here, there's a lot of them available. The thriller book cover. There's the creative book cover. The photo book cover. Notebook. Vintage. Children's book. Art book. Cookbook. Illustration. Architecture. Recipe. Novels. Food journal. Love book cover, and so on. So let's choose one of these book cover which we feel close to what we wanted our book to look like. So for me, I've actually liked one of the book cover from a romance. This one, The Summer Hope. So here, if you notice earlier, so it was narrow because that was the template from Canva. Their book cover is narrow, while the book cover for your for Dreame, and if I'm not mistaken, also for a Good Novel, is 600 by 800 pixels. So there is your working background. There's your text. It also has this small quote, which or lines from your book, and of course the writer's name over there. So now let's work on your image background. So for an image background, I'm looking into a fantasy book cover right now because I'm going to be writing another fantasy book. So from your photos on the search bar, you can check on different types of images that is available from Canva, or if you already have your book cover design, just upload it. Here is the upload button, and take it from your device and upload it there, so you can put it in your template. So how will you search, or how are you going to use your search? Search for your keyword. Let's say for me, I'm looking at a fantasy book cover. So the first thing I would try to look is fantasy that is suitable for what I envision my story would be about. Okay, so Canva here has a lot of free. You can see it says here free, and there are those which is pro. So if you have already tried Canva Pro, those things are free for you, or you can purchase them from $2 up, if I'm not mistaken. So let's find the cover. Let's take this as a cover background, for example. So I just click it and it went now in our artboard. I can just right click it there and replace background. There you go. So I already have it as my background. If you want to move it, just double click the image and you will see there you can move it if you want, let's say, this part to be your cover, the middle part to be your cover, and also the side. Or if you just want it something like this, that's also possible. So you have there a small, shade somewhere there, or somewhere like that. Okay, so there you go. That's your image background. The other items here, like if you notice, when you move it, it has this invisible border there, which helps you to put your things in the middle. Okay, so after choosing your background, you can now choose for your main image. If your background doesn't have your main image yet, you can choose for your main image. But if your background already has everything, including your main image, then that's the most fastest, or that's the fastest way of you getting your book cover done. So I can do that, but of course there are some people who wanted to learn more from today's session. So let's get that main image. So again, still on your photos, let's look for your main image. Actually, I have already found my main image earlier. If you notice, this is the girl. So how did I find her in Canva is that I just typed the keyword mysterious. If you saw it on my search earlier, mysterious woman, if I'm not mistaken, was the keyword I used, and I found her. So they have a lot of different image here. Okay, so that's an example. of this mysterious woman, because I have it already on um, my images. It's no longer here. Assuming that you're going to use, let's say, a couple image, right? So you type in couple. So there's different image of couple where you can use it there. So for example, this one is nice. Again, there's the pro and there's the free ones. Okay. Search for your image. It can already be your background image or background plus main image. All right. Couple, or if for example you're looking into finding, let's say, wolf as your main image, there you go. They have a lot of different wolf image there where you can explore. Okay. Again, some are pros and some are for free. You can also find, let's say, princess. If you're looking into princesses, there you go. My next book will be called The Royal Rebel, so I'm gonna look into this later on. Right? Or if you wanted something magical, you can just type in magic. Okay, so there you go. So there's those magical, mysterious background there. If you're looking into, let's say, your male character and we're looking like wanting to have handsome men, you can just type in there handsome man. It will give it to you. You want something more than that, we can type in hunk. Handsome hunk. There you go. You can choose here, or if you have another image from another source, that's also possible. For example, pixel here. So you can use their keywords, for example, fantasy. There you go. Another source where you can find your image is free pick. So free pick is also similar to pixel. You can just type in hunk, or there you go. The subscription for this one is like $12 or $11 per month, and you can get both the premium images and the free images. So these are free. This is premium. You have to pay for it. Okay. So those are the free sites where you can find your images. Pixel, Free Pick. There's also Unsplash, and there's a lot more you can find on the internet. So for us, I have found my image already. And she's there. This girl, I like her, but of course, since I already have my background, I wanted to remove her from this background image. So what I can do is I can click effects and remove her background so that her background will be removed. So if you're using Canva Pro, this tool is available for you for free. But since I'm not using a Canva Pro, I have my other resources. For this one, I can just remove this background and have her as an isolated image. So for those who doesn't have a background remover, you can use another software to remove the background. And for those who doesn't have, of course, try Canva Pro so that you can use some of the tools that they offer. So since I have already removed my background, it's already there on my uploads. There you go, she's there. I have removed her background. But for those who still wanted to think or wanted to have something for free, there's another software on the internet, or there's another web tools that provide this, which is called remove.bg. So all you have to do is go to your Canva. If you want her, for example, add another page in, and then click her, make her big, like that. Okay, and then download her. On download, just put page 2 and then click download. Once you have her in your computer, you can just go into remove BG and upload the image. Of course, then you click the image, upload, and take her, for example. I have her here. Take her and upload it there. And this tool will provide you the image without her background. And once you have her, you go back to your page, right? And upload her. Go to upload, upload your image, and she will appear here, just like mine. She appears here. Okay, and then you can place her however you want in your image.
Yeah, there's
Okay,
a lot of
that's it
video
for now.
tutorials
And
for
then we will
Canva available
go on to the next part of
in
the
Canva. So all
tutorial.
you have to do is find
Comment
those
for some
video
questions if you have,
tutorials
so that
they
we can
have
answer
here.
them. Thank you.
They have a lot of different templates. So this is the video tutorial for Canva. So there's the getting started with Canva, designing, social media marketing, graphic design basic. So the graphic design basic is interesting because it will tell you all these elements, how to work on your elements, the colors, the background, how to blend in, this kind of thing. So these are all available in Canva. All we need to do is have some time to explore it. All right, so that's it for now. Thank you very much for this session.